Hello, welcome back to the Big Risk channel. We're here with another short video update, day number 3 or 4, I think it is. So let's carry on from where we were yesterday. We've had a roller coaster. Me personally, I've had a roller coaster, but we'll get to that. So look, this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour. As I said yesterday, it's playing nice, and we've had a nice move up. But I think there's a bit of resistance here at this level, this 92k level. As we can see, we're starting to consolidate here a bit. I think we either drop down to maybe 88 and then bounce, or we continue moving up. We continue moving up, and then we hit big resistance around this 94k level, which is also, I believe, the yearly open. So if you are in any longs or you're looking to get into longs, just keep an eye on that, because that's what I think we can expect. I think with how Bitcoin's acting right now, with how the stochastic's looking, I think you could hit that 94k target. So let's see how we go. I myself have just put on a little short at this 91.5k across Bitcoin and Ethereum with a really tight stop. If it sort of pops up above these wicks again, I'm going to get stopped out, very small amount. Just good risk reward. I think it's like a 3 or 4 to 1 if we're going to drop down to these levels, so I'm giving that gamble. But yes, so the roller coasters come from this ZEC trade. If you watched yesterday, you saw I got in here. I was up a little bit, 20%, whatever it was. I watched this chart, and I watched this breakout happen, or what I thought was a breakout. I'm trying to be more of a disciplined trader, which means I'm trying not to influence the trade after I'm in it. I'm not trying to manage it while I'm in it. It's all pre-planned. I set my stops, I set my TPs, and that's it. Unfortunately, my take profit yesterday was at 550, 549 point something. This wick hit as high as 549.20. I was up about 90% or 85% or something at that stage. That was good money. I didn't take anything, trying to be a more disciplined trader, and it just missed it, and it came back down. I got fucked. But what can you do? It's trading, isn't it? That's just how it is, unfortunately. Bit of a roller coaster, bit unfortunate. But I guess the whole point of that is, if you are a trader, dissect what went wrong, how to fix it next time. The only thing I really could have done is, in that instance, to get maximum profit, not much, because I'm trying to get to a stage where I don't have to be actively watching the charts all the time, which now I do. Realistically, since I am watching the charts, if I saw this come up, close back in this resistance line, and see it get rejected, obviously, from the upside, I should have just sold it at all 530. I should have just sold it all at 530, and that was it. But anyway, you live and you learn. It's a lifelong game, marathon, not a sprint. So look, we were up about 650 US. I'll say 650. Yeah. At one stage when we were up this level, we got stopped out down here at the 490 mark for about $130 loss. So look, good risk reward, but ultimately we just need to start securing some more profits. So. Lastly, I thought this was interesting. Now, when I inevitably do a portfolio reveal, what I've got going on, you'll see that probably 3/4, 70% of my portfolio is XRP. That's what got me into crypto. That's what I think has the most utility for payments, DeFi, and I'm a very big believer in it. I think there's a lot of potential for XRP as a coin, as a potential Swift complementary product. Something to discuss at some point. But yeah, look, XRP reserves have fallen a lot on Binance due to all the ETF demands, and they've only been out like a week, guys, not even. So look, if you don't have XRP, you don't know what it is, look into it. I think it's great to have a little position at least. and I think it is the future of DeFi. See you on the next one.